Hi, I'm Marta and this is NotEnoughTECH, and you probably know I'm playing with Xiaomi gadgets, and this is Aqara series cube. It's a motion controlled device sensor, and you can connect it to a Mi Home hub. Now that can be used in a very peculiar way, and how peculiar? Well, take a look in the showcase, but be warned, there's some bad acting ahead. You can tell I had plenty of fun shooting these short videos, and yes, you can actually use the cube as a sensor for security alarm. Now, it does require the Xiaomi Mi Home hub, the gateway, and obviously the cube itself. The benefit is, it is actually quite hard to lift this and move it around without triggering the alarm, even if you manage to lift it off. Putting it down creates a small shock which will alert the device and create the alarm. There is no any external magic needed. All you have to do is have a hub and the cube itself, and then you can use the default Mi Home software to set it up. You can use the cube as a trigger. That's going to be sounding the alarm and flashing the colors, and if you have additional Xiaomi devices, you can link them as well to perform some actions. So on the video you've seen, I've linked to Yeelight smart light bulbs to create custom lighting colors when the alarm is triggered. Now I'm gonna quickly show you how to set it up, and then you can do it for yourself, and maybe you'll find some creative ways of how you can secure everyday objects using this small cube. One of the examples I probably had in mind would be, I don't know, preventing kids from opening the game they're not supposed to by placing a cube on the box of the game, because without they wouldn't be able to open the box without notifying you, which could be beneficial for you. Scrolling through the app, you will see that you have your control hub option. When open, you can enable and disable the alert. Now first you have to go to Auto and Alert and select your options, which include the triggering device, in this case the cube, so select the cube, and obviously your auto visual feedback. Now if you want to link this to different devices, all you have to do is just go back to the main screen, click on Automation tab and add new automation rule. The automation tab you can think about as if this then that kind of setup when you create a trigger and you create some actions, and in this case the trigger is to select the device from the list, which is the gateway itself, and then apply additional actions. So if gateway is in alarm mode, then obviously I want my Yeelight lights to flash. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to use the cube as a security devices. As I said, there's plenty of different uses you can apply this to. So you can put it near the door and be alerted when this particular door has been opened, because the cube will issue the alarm. You can put it on the fridge so you'll know when someone's been stealing food at midnight. I'm guilty of that myself. And even put it in your bag if you want to know if someone's been roaming through your bag itself. The alarm doesn't have to be visual, you can keep it silent, and you can just get the notification from on your phone itself, so it's down to your individual preferences. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to read more about these devices, they're linked into the description, where I review every single gadget from Xiaomi series and share my thoughts on it. The good thing about the Xiaomi series are two things, well, three actually things. First of all, they work as advertised without any flashing. Second of all, you can integrate them with Node-RED. And the third benefit for that apparently works with IKEA Smart System, which means I'm gonna get some smart IKEA items soon just to test it as well. So if you're interested in those updates, obviously you know what to do, how to use YouTube, how to like the videos and subscribe to the content, and if you want to be notified straight away as new content is available, just follow me on any social media of your choice. That's down to you. For now, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a happy new year 2019 and see you soon.